This video will be an unboxing setup and a quick review of the Mocreo LW1 water leak sensor. Okay, so this was sent to me in lieu of a review. And I have done several reviews of Mocreo products and I like them. They're very solid, easy to install. So we're going to unbox this, put it on the Mocreo hub, and test it, see how it works. Okay, and there's the instructions on how to install it, how to do the battery replacement, etc. All right. Download the Smart app, which I have already done. Of course, you'll need to create an account, and again, I have done that as well. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Mocreo app. Select Add Device. And then scroll through here and find the type of device we're going to add, which is, in this case, is LW1. Hit Next. And then we'll add the sensor by scanning this in. And found it, hit Next. Okay, after we get this, press this button right here. And you'll see that light flashing in there. I pressed it. Setting up the room. This is where you tell it what room you want it that it's going to be in. A few hints. It's good to put it by where the water goes into the house at, or by a washing machine, water heater, or whatever. This one I'm going to put in the utility room with our washer. I'll hit Add Room. Next, and you can change the name, and it's probably a good idea to, I don't know, put in there something like water heater, washer, clothes washer, or whatever. Clothes, whoops, washer, hit Next. And now you can have a phone number added in here if you want to enable SMS. I prefer it to go through the app itself, but you can do that. Hit enable SMS and then put in your phone number. Okay, so I want to hit complete if it'll let me. Okay, it says it's ready. Like that, and boom, you can see it's already in there. So I'm going to do something real quick to show you how it works. So when you place it down wherever you're going to put it, feet down like that, right? And I'm going to create my own little water leak here. And let's just see what happens. There we go. So I've got messages all over the place on the hub, on the app. Okay, be quiet. And if I had put in a phone number, I would be getting a text about it right about now. Let me go ahead and clean that up real quick. You pull these little feet off right here. Then take out the screws. Okay, and that's how you get to the batteries there. Okay, and then let's put it back together. Make sure that slot goes in like that, and then put all the screws in. Okay. These are very, very handy to have. Highly recommend putting them again by your water heater, where the water comes into your house at, around the air conditioner. These can save you a lot of money if they catch the condensate leaking out. So anyway, there you go. Works great. Great value for the money, and it goes into the whole Mocreo system, which has, oh well, right here, has all this that I have so far. Temp sensors. I have one in my freezer, one in my refrigerator. A temp humidity sensor, which is just actually just sitting right here for now. You can put that outside. Oh, I do have one outside. I forgot. Yeah, and I have one that's outside as well. Anyway, great line of products. I highly recommend it. There you go. And if you want to purchase one, there'll be a link, as always, down there in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.